Amir Khan, thank you for talking to FrankWarren.tv. We haven't had a chance to speak to you since before your last fight. We know it was a devastating evening for you. First of all, just directly, when you went home that evening, just can you explain to your fans just how low you were feeling?
Oh yeah, upset, it's the worst thing that can happen to you, and boxing is what I love, and what happened there was the worst nightmare really. But I'm going to come back from it stronger, and I went home straight away and I looked at the video, because I wanted to see the fight. It's hard to remember everything in the fight. I remembered most of it, I knew I got put down twice, and I tried getting up the second time. I got up the first time though. But I wanted to go home and watch the fight just to see what happened, and to make myself feel better. So when I seen it, I was just looking at the mistakes I made, and it was just stupid mistakes. But I'm going to learn from my mistakes. It could have been that what happened. I got caught cold, and I'm not going to make no excuse. The best man won on the night. He caught me with some good shots. Early on, caught me cold, and even just before he even got into it, he got me. And maybe that was his game plan. And his game plan come in the fight, and it worked for him. That's the main thing. Yeah.
You decided after that to get rid of the trainer, the new trainer that you had, Rubio. Why did you decide to get rid of him?
Well, it wasn't just about getting rid of him, I think we had that lack of communication as well, Maybe the game plan was the wrong game plan. I was told to put pressure on him, and when, because he's tall and that, you think, yeah, and I'm one of them guys, I listen to my coaches. Whatever my coaches say, I listen to him, and he said, put pressure on them, put pressure on Prescott, don't step back, and always be punching at him. And that's what I did. But then after what happened, thinking about it, it was just the wrong thing to do, because you're fighting someone who's got a big knockout percentage, and whoever he hits, he's a knockout. His record says it all. So I really should have weighed him up a little bit, boxed him a little bit, and then maybe let my punches come after that.
You've moved on. New trainer Freddie Roach out in America. He's got a great reputation, Freddie Roach. How have you found being with him?
Well, yeah, it's been brilliant at the moment. I've done a bit of work with him, and it was all about just speaking to him first, getting to know him, and it's not all about me going to him. I wanted him to feel comfortable with me as well. He did. I did a couple of pad sessions with him, and he said he could take me to the next step. He's seen the video that I got beat on, and he said exactly, the words what he said were, that happens in boxing. It can happen to the best of fighters. And it happened to the fighter he's training now, like Manny Pacquiao, was beaten twice and knocked out twice before he ever won his world title fight. So he said not to worry, because I'll make you a world champion. And but it's gonna be hard, but at the end of the day, it's not lack my confidence. It's not put me down too much. It's gonna make me train harder and focus and say no to a lot of things now, and just focus on boxing.
What do you say to your critics, Amir, who say that you're never going to be the same again?
Oh no, I will be the same. I've always been I've been beaten in the amateurs, come back from it stronger. Look at the Olympic Games when I got beaten off Kindling. I know if I fight Prescott again, I know I'll beat that kid. He's a good boxer. I got a lot of respect for him, but I know I can go in there and I can beat him. It was just that day. He caught me with a big shot, unexpectedly cold, and I went down. Whereas next time I fight him, I know I'll be very careful and I'll box him technically and beat him. So all the critics who say I'm not going to be the same, I'll be better, because I've tasted the defeat. My worst fear was to get beat, and I've never been beaten, and now it's to come back stronger. Now I've got no fear now. Now it's all about, no pressures on me, it's all about going up and up now.
And just finally, a word for your fans. They've been fighting for you on FrankWarren.tv, defending your corner, and just a word for them, because they've always believed in you all the way.
I just want to say thank you very much for still supporting me, being there, and at the end of the day, the boxing fans will know it's all about boxing. It's happened to the best of us, and I'll just come back stronger. It's not gonna knock me down in any way. It's gonna keep my confidence, and my confidence is still high, and I'm gonna keep on winning. I'm gonna go back in the gym, train hard, and you'll see an Amir Khan, the same Amir Khan who when he's winning and when he's in the ring confident.